Oh my god. The most satisfying chiropractic cracks compilation video. Only one way to find out. Let's get it.
Look right to the ear, okay? So just relax for me.
Oh my god, I've always heard of that one, but I've never been able to do that one. Oh my god. The neck ones always terrify me.
No, rápido. Okay.
The Neck Breaker 5000. Every time I watch a bone popping video, it makes me want to pop my bones. It's horrible.
So you go like this, and you go. There you go. Good job. You go like this, keep it up. There you go. Good job.
Some of these look like finishing moves, man. Ew. Bro is cracking his foot in half.
Good, just relax.
Oh my god, don't subject the dog to this. Oh, dude, these are all neck. Oh, this is the worst. This is the worst compilation. This is like just back-to-back neck cracks.
Head relaxed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Head relaxed.
Oh my god!
This one here. Boom. And go up just a little bit. Good. Okay.
And deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh, what the? Oh my god, these people are making up new stuff I've never seen before. Bro, why is he in like underwear like that?
Make sure that you see the red dot. See how the red dot jumps every time I go over this point. So here it is again.
Appreciate this compilation plugging my Patreon. I will put it in the link below. Consider becoming a patron. Link below.
Let everything go here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I hate it when they like.
Good.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Something about it, dude, is so goofy. Something about watching somebody get their head just like.
There'll be no twisting of your head whatsoever.
Oh, this looks horrible. Some of these look absolutely horrible. This looks like it's gonna be like nightmare.
So watch the chin as he goes up. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Move your toes. Oh my gosh, and relax. Let it go. Wiggle your left big toe for me.
What does the wiggling of the left big toe have to do with anything? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I need a second, dude. These are hard to watch. These are the real cringe, man. And it's making me want to crack. It's making me feel like I gotta crack my whole body.
Breath in. All the way out. Get that other side for me. So I'll lay back here just a bit. Nice deep breath in. Very good.
Drop again.
Let your head drop. That's perfect. There you go. Drop. That's it. That's it.
Nice deep breath in for me, Holly. And out.
Oh my god, that sounded like biting into an apple or something.
Okay, that's the one.
Okay, here we go. Ooh. I'm gonna pull. Bear with me. Good.
Go here. Relax here.
Going all the way up into the thoracolumbar. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
7 on the left.
Jesus. It looks so wrong. It looks so wrong, dude.
Good. I'm just gonna come in. Lean your head right into my forearm, please. Just relax, relax. Let's come forward together. Come forward. Very good.
Oh my god.
To the other side. Same thing into my hand. Just relax for me. Come forward. Just relax, relax. Very good.
Bro, I bet that feels so good though. Oh my god. I should go to a chiropractor. That'd be pretty funny. Thumbs up if you think I should go to a chiropractor for real and film it.
Very good. That's good. Way up. Yeah, that's the one.
I'm done. I'm done. I can't take much more of this. If you made it all the way through, let me know down below in the comments because goddamn, that's impressive. You might as well go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to hit 200,000 subscribers on the channel, so I would really appreciate it. And drop a like on the video. And if you want to keep the party going, as always, baby, here's another video. Here's the channel. You can click subscribe to either one. Or I mean, oh, I messed it up, but now I can't stop. I just got to regain it. Subscribe here. Subscribe here. Click here, subscribe. And then click here to watch the other video. There you go. I have 20 seconds to do that, so like it's good. You know, now we're just chilling. So do both. Do both. Do both. Do both. Do both.